Okay, good morning. Currently, you are at English Fantasy, where your speaking mock test is being conducted, and it's MBCom Exam Mrida, and the examiner ID is 2201, and the candidate is MB Yasir Arafat. Exam ID is 2201. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
So let us start from some initial questions. So where do you usually watch TV programs?
Most of the time, I watch TV program in my home, and whenever I get free time, I just watch any kind of TV program as like news, a TV program or others TV program. I don't specifically, but yeah.
What's your favorite TV program?
My favorite TV program is a water show, which is conducted by Rafsan. His name is Rafsan, and I enjoy it a lot. And most of the time, I used to watch his show on my TV.
Are there any programs or shows you don't like watching? Why or why not?
There is not a specific TV program that I won't like, but sometimes I hated some unusual TV programs such as just forget it.
Okay. Do you think you will watch more or fewer TV programs in your future? Why or why not?
I think I will watch more TV programs in my future because it's give me a set of information. And whenever I watch a lot of TV program, I aware of some new news that I didn't know in my past. So in my foreseeable future, I would definitely prefer to watch TV program.
Okay, we have successfully completed your part 1. Now we'll be starting your part 2, the keyword topic or the storytelling part. The topic for you is describe someone you know who has started a business. You should say who this person is, what work this person does, why this person decided to start a business. And here is your cue card and a pen and paper as well, so that you can take some preparation, and like if you want you can make some notes in order to assist yourself while speaking. You can note some vocabularies.
Okay.
Okay, your time is up.
Okay.
You can start now.
So the person that recently started a new business is my friend, and whose name is Raihan. He's a youth student, but nowadays he's trying to build a business in online, which is his perfume business, and nowadays he is very busy with that business. And the main thing that the main reason of his starting that business is he is not financially stable, and he don't take money from his family and he always want to be self-dependent. For this reason, he started this business by his own, and he is growing his business gradually by the time. And apart from that, it also encouraged me a lot because he is my friend, and he is doing very well in that sector. So most of the time when I get time, I just meet with him and take some tips from him about that business and related to these things. So yeah.
Okay, thank you. We are done with your part 2. Now we'll be starting your part 3. So here I will be asking you some follow-up questions. Okay.
Okay.
What kinds of jobs do young people not want to do in your country?
I would say it's a restaurant job, because most of the young people are try to get job in social media or any kind of online platform type jobs as like digital marketing or other sectors, but they don't usually like this kind of physical job because it's so stressful for them, and it's a 9 to 5 job, so they are hated it, and they always prefer online jobs. So I guess that's
who is best at advising young people about choosing a job, teachers or parents?
It depends actually. In my perspective, I would say sometimes it's better in terms of teachers, because they teaches their student a long time, and they know their students mindset and other things and stuffs. So sometimes it really vary on that person. And in case of parents, I would say they play a pivotal role in making a decision to make a career, to choose a job. I would say both are equally important.
Okay, thank you, gentlemen. It was the end of your IELTS speaking test.
Okay.